Welcome back to Mind-Blowing Facts, your ultimate destination for intriguing knowledge that expands your mind. In today's video, we'll be delving into the captivating world of psychological facts on how to attract people towards you. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of human connection and charm, then you're in the right place. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and activate the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our mind-blowing content. And if you find this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Let's jump right in. Fact 1. The power of smiling. Did you know that a genuine smile can work wonders when it comes to attracting people towards you? It's true. A warm and sincere smile is universally appealing and creates an instant sense of connection. So, next time you meet someone new or interact with others, remember to flash those pearly whites. Fact 2. Active listening. One of the most effective ways to draw people towards you is through active listening. When you genuinely listen to others and show interest in what they have to say, it not only makes them feel valued but also enhances the bond between you. So, put away distractions and give your undivided attention to the person you're conversing with. Fact 3. The power of compliments. Here's an interesting fact for you. Receiving compliments activates the same area in the brain as receiving monetary rewards. By offering sincere and specific compliments, you can make others feel appreciated and create a positive impression. Remember, a genuine compliment goes a long way in attracting people towards you. Fact 4. Confidence is key. Confidence exudes magnetism. When you feel confident about yourself, it naturally draws others towards you. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and embrace your unique qualities. Remember, self-assurance is contagious, and people are naturally attracted to those who exude it. Fact 5. The power of body language. Did you know that more than half of communication is non-verbal? That's right. Paying attention to your body language can significantly impact how others perceive you. Maintain an open posture, use subtle mirroring techniques, and display genuine interest through your gestures. By doing so, you'll effortlessly attract people towards you. Fact 6. The art of empathy. Empathy is a powerful tool when it comes to attracting people towards you. By putting yourself in someone else's shoes and genuinely understanding their perspective, you create a deep connection. Show empathy through your words and actions, and watch as people gravitate towards your compassion and understanding. Fact 7. Authenticity is magnetic. The final fact we have for you today is all about authenticity. People are naturally drawn to individuals who are true to themselves. Embrace your uniqueness, embrace your quirks, and let your genuine personality shine. When you're authentic, you create an irresistible magnetism that attracts people towards you. And there you have it, 7 fascinating psychological facts on how to attract people towards you. Remember, incorporating these insights into your daily interactions can have a profound impact on your personal and professional relationships. If you found these psychological facts intriguing and want to explore more captivating content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel Mind-Blowing Facts. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of knowledge seekers. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this.